In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll again, but this time choose Screen Refresh Rate. Tap on any of those to apply the best one for you, Auto Switch, Standard or High, and if you decided to select High, tap on Customize App Refresh Rate. This way you can allow or deny any app access to higher refresh rate by tapping on the chosen one, like Chrome, and applying one of those refresh rates by tapping on the one you want to. Hit OK to save your changes, and when you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!